Spanish cuisine influenced with new ingredients such as tomatoes, corn potatoes, sweet peppers, and chocolate. The cuisine of Basque country is considered to be of the two great cuisines of Spain. They are known for the use of many sauces, usually made with tomatoes and sweet red peppers or green. It is also made with parsley.
Have a good day, Mami. So, I am Hannah Levy Garcia Bayan from BTBTA 3 Acasin Ring. So, today I'm going to cook pin pasta with tuna and tomato sauce. This is from Spanish cuisine. So, let's start.
Fill with water a little over halfway, then add the pasta, add a vegetable oil, then let it boil. Add vegetable oil to the pan. Once the oil gets hot, add the diced onion, and then add the garlic and mix them with oil and cook this for about 4 minutes. Then add the diced bell peppers and mix them with the onions and garlic and cook this for the additional 4 minutes. Then add 3 cups of diced tomatoes, and a pinch of salt, and a pinch of white sugar, and freshly cracked black pepper, and dried parsley. And mix the tuna in there with the sauce. And now add the cooked pasta into the pan. And mix everything together until it's combined. Now our dish is done. Our easy pin pasta with tuna and tomato sauce.